Welcome to DIY Creations, your on-go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. Today, we are excited to guide you through the process of building a vertical herb garden with PVC pipes. Elevate your herb growing game with this space-efficient and visually appealing DIY project. Firstly, let's gather the materials. You will need PVC pipes and caps, adhesive, a saw, drill, and of course, your favorite herbs. PVC pipe will be the backbone of your vertical garden, providing sturdy and organized compartment for your herbs. Begin by measuring and cutting the PVC pipes into equal sections. These will serve as individual container for your herbs. Ensure the lengths are uniform for a neat and balanced appearance. Next, cap one end of each PVC pipe using the end caps. This step not only completes the look but also prevents soil from escaping. Use adhesive to secure the end caps firmly in place. Now it's time to create the opening for your herbs. Using a drill, make evenly spaced holes along the length of each PVC pipe. These holes will be the homes for your herb plants, allowing them to grow both inside and outside the pipe. Arrange the PVC pipes in a vertical position, either against a wall or on a sturdy frame. Make sure they are secure and evenly spaced. Fill each section with nutrient-rich soil and plant your chosen herbs in designated holes. Water your newly planted vertical herb garden thoroughly, allowing the soil to settle. As your herbs grow, they will beautifully cascade down the pipe, creating a living wall of aromatic and flavorful delights. This vertical herb garden not only maximizes your gardening space but also add a touch of greenery to your outdoor or indoor area. Harvest fresh herbs easily and enjoy the convenience of having your own vertical oasis. Happy gardening, and don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations.